How to fix a muted video on TikTok. So if you want to fix a muted video on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your application, if the sound is muted, then you can go with the bottom right, which has that mute option, and tap on unmute and you will get the sound. But if it's with your videos, then what you need to do is just simply go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon, and after that select the photo or the video and go with the music section, which is on the top. You can go with edit, and from here you'll be able to add the music. So simply select a music. Once you've selected, now what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the original voice and tap on mute, which will be on the left side, and mute the original sound and add another sound. But if you've added another sound and if you want to go with your own sound, then you just need to simply go with the added sound and go with delete. Once you've deleted, now here you will have your original sound, and you can just simply save, go with top right and then save, and then tap on next and post that video. And after that, your TikTok sound will not be removed because it's the original one, not the added one. So that's how you can fix a muted video on your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.